For existing brownfield operations that already use terminal tractors, today, until now, it was not possible to automate without costly infrastructure changes. Automated terminal tractors open up a new opportunity that you can transition gradually into enabling mixed horizontal transport automation without having to change other equipment on the terminal. I think when you talk about automation options, most people would go, oh, that's AGVs. They are typically a proven solution and you can see them in several terminals. Automated guided vehicles are really a good option for highly structured terminals with dedicated lanes and also a fenced-off environment, which means no other equipment or human can enter this space. Therefore, they are not a good option for enabling mixed traffic. In contrast, autonomous terminal tractors and Fernride solution is tuned more for existing brownfield or planned greenfield solutions with terminal tractors and provide more flexibility. So pure mixed traffic is what they can resolve and mimic how humans can really see, but also combining it to how robots are thinking. Therefore, autonomous terminal tractors can transition you gradually into a scalable automation without the costly infrastructure changes that otherwise you would need to consider. When you have a terminal tractor-based layout, it's certainly more difficult to go for AGVs because of the infrastructure changes that you need to implement to tear up the tarmac. For this case, automated terminal tractors could be an easier transition. Fernride's solution offers an option to transition into automation more gradually without costly infrastructure changes. You just need to integrate into the existing operations processes and integrate with the TOS. You also have straddle carriers. Automated straddle carriers typically are a good decision for terminals where the land and expansion is affordable, the land is accessible, and the cost of labor is high. Therefore, having one equipment that can both do the transport and the stacking task of the container is available. Fernride goes beyond just building autonomous fleets. We've been designing a solution that is primarily built for private yards and with a special focus to maritime container terminals. This is focusing on enabling mixed horizontal transport for these operators, and we've been listening to seasoned experts to make sure we can deliver early gains while not compromising anything on safety and making sure that operations are transitioning smoothly from a manual horizontal transport to an automated horizontal transport. Fernride also applies a more pragmatic approach to autonomy. Autonomous driving is difficult and operators require high reliability and uptime. Therefore, we introduced human-assisted autonomy, which makes sure machines and humans can operate together, prioritizing uptime, reliability, and handling exceptions with this approach. Human-assisted autonomy combines automation and human oversight. Automation covers most of the repetitive tasks, while a human can oversee exceptions and edge cases. You may have twist locks around the ground or seagulls flying under the sensor. In these cases, human-assisted autonomy is able to get you going without disrupting your ongoing operations. When the vehicle requires assistance, an operator can come in and help navigate around the situation. Whereas the system is collecting data and improve over time through machine learning and hence continuously improves productivity and capabilities over time. This is a unique feature compared to systems that are out there, for example, automated guided vehicles that lock in productivity at a certain stage. For existing terminal tractor layouts or greenfield terminals, transitioning into Fernride's automation solution is fairly easy and without disruptions. So you can get started today, reach out. While all terminal layouts and sizes are addressable, fleet size, cost of labor, incidents, insurance premiums, these are all factors that can count in your business case when you consider automation. Preparing a terminal for long-term success while focusing on resolving today's issues, it's important to select a solution that grows and improves over time, resolving long-term challenges or upcoming issues that are not clear today. So you need to focus on something that is proven today, but can also continue to improve over time. As a general takeaway, all terminal layouts can opt to transition into automated terminal tractor. If you're a brownfield terminal using terminal tractors today, the path is fairly clear and you can get started as soon as you are ready. However, it's more difficult to do if you have straddle carriers or AGV layouts today. ATTs can provide a gradual transition into automation. Step by step, you can increase the fleet size and also improve the amount of autonomy you want to set on the terminal itself. They help transitioning with the workforce. Existing drivers can be upskilled to teleoperators and control room associates, whereas also there's a smooth transition with existing processes and IT systems, because the system is designed in a way that with open APIs you can integrate much faster. Finally, another point to consider, transitioning to autonomous terminal tractors do not require costly infrastructure changes. They work with your existing layout and can be introduced to replicate ongoing processes as of today on your terminal.